Welcome back to Cosmic Lab, where we go back in time to the moments that shaped our world. 66 million years ago, a single day changed life on Earth forever. In just a few hours, 75% of all species, including every non-avian dinosaur, disappeared. This wasn't gradual climate change or volcanic activity alone. It was a sudden, apocalyptic event. A 10 to 15 kilometers wide asteroid slamming into Earth at 20 kilometers per second. The impact released energy equal to billions of nuclear bombs. Today we're going to walk through exactly what happened that day, step by hour, using the latest science from the Chicxulub crater, the Tanis fossil site, and 2026 research. Get ready. This is the real story of the day the dinosaurs died. It begins in the shallow sea that once covered what is now the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. At around 6:30 in the morning local time, a massive space rock, roughly the size of Mount Everest, enters Earth's atmosphere. It hits at 72,000 kilometers per hour, punching through the atmosphere in less than a second. The energy release vaporizes rock instantly, creating a fireball wider than 100 kilometers. Within minutes, a crater 180 kilometers wide and 20 kilometers deep is blasted into the crust. Trillions of tons of molten rock and vaporized limestone shoot into the sky as ejecta. The impact vaporizes the shallow sea, sending superheated steam and sulfur-rich gas into the stratosphere. About 10 minutes after impact, the first shockwave arrives, a wall of air moving faster than sound, flattening forests and killing anything in its path for thousands of kilometers. Then comes the rain of molten glass and rock fragments falling back to Earth. This firestorm from the sky ignites wildfires across continents. Within the first hour, tsunamis over 100 meters tall race across the Atlantic and Pacific, scouring coastlines. But the real killer happens in the days and weeks that follow. The impact throws so much sulfur and dust into the atmosphere that sunlight is blocked for months to years, a nuclear winter effect. Global temperatures drop 10 to 20 degrees Celsius. Plants die from lack of light, herbivores starve, carnivores follow. Acid rain from sulfur poisons freshwater systems. Oceans become acidic, killing plankton, the base of the marine food chain. Carbon dioxide from vaporized limestone eventually causes long-term warming, but the cold and darkness come first. One of the most incredible sights is Tanis in North Dakota, a 2026 confirmed deathbed fossil layer. It preserves fish impaled by glass tektites, animals buried alive in minutes by impact-triggered megatsunami waves, and even dinosaur remains with soft tissue. The layer sits right at the KPG boundary, the thin clay line full of iridium, rare on Earth but common in asteroids. This proves the timing. Everything died within hours to days of the impact. Recovery took millions of years. Mammals, birds, and crocodiles survived because they could hide, eat seeds or carrion, or live in burrows. Dinosaurs, large, specialized, needing lots of food, could not. The impact cleared the stage for mammals to rise and eventually for humans to appear. What does this tell us today? Earth is fragile. A single asteroid 10 kilometers wide can erase almost everything. But life is also resilient. It came back stronger, leading to us. And we now have telescopes like the James Webb and ground surveys hunting for near-Earth asteroids, so we can deflect one if needed. The day the dinosaurs died wasn't the end of life. It was a brutal reset that made our world possible. If this took your breath away, smash the like button to honor the dinosaurs. Comment below. Do you think humanity would survive a Chicxulub-sized impact today? Or what's your favorite dinosaur? Subscribe to Cosmic Lab and turn on notifications. We're bringing more epic Earth history and space stories every week. Thanks for watching, bro. The past still shapes our future. Globe Comet.